Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta with tomato sauce full guide. Start by bringing salted water to a rolling boil and immediately add pasta, stirring to prevent sticking. While the pasta cooks, gently simmer crushed tomatoes with garlic, olive oil, salt, and basil until slightly reduced and fragrant. Reserve pasta water, then toss pasta and sauce together, adding a splash of pasta water as needed for a silky, well-balanced finish. Gather easy ingredients: pasta, canned crushed tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, salt, and fresh basil. Use about 100 g of pasta per person as a guideline and 1:1. 5 cups of sauce per portion for satisfying coverage. Prep garlic and basil first, have cheese grated, and keep a cup of pasta water ready. This simple mise-en-place keeps the cook relaxed and the flavors bright and balanced when you finish tossing everything together. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep sharing simple cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth made me laugh and rethink budgeting, which is oddly useful when shopping for good olive oil. I find it pairs well with a cozy pasta night, but check the description for the link and other deals. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Salted water is the secret to seasoned pasta, so be generous and taste as you go. Aim for al dente, then transfer the pasta to the simmering sauce and finish cooking together for 1 to 2 minutes to marry flavors. Stir in a splash of reserved pasta water to emulsify the sauce, then add basil and a drizzle of olive oil. Serve with grated Parmesan and a final crack of black pepper for a warm, homey plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.